This has been our Teton River experience.
After learning more about Rosa Vasquez's work on the boiling river in Peru, we decided to look at our own backyards.
It's the Teton River, I think, right? Wasn't it that one?
What's been the funnest part of this Teton River experience for you?
The way we explored the Teton River like real scientists was really fun. First we took samples from the Teton River and we took them back to the class and we prepared them and put them on slides, and we got to look under a microscope and try to find stuff.
Learn a lot more about the plants around the Teton River.
We've been writing a song about all the science that we've learned so far.
Teton River needs blood and spread.
Who's helped you the most in this Teton River experience?
Many professionals that know a lot more than we did.
The people in my groups helped me a lot, like to find what I needed to do.
Mrs. Barton, because if she hadn't come, then we would have done none of this. Yeah. So. The most memorable part of this experience for you?
Probably learning about the plants and like taking all the notes and having all that information written down and having everything down and in like text form felt really nice to have everything completed.
Learning about the fish, it's really been really fun.
What has been the hardest part of this Teton River experience?
Finding good information. Some sites were just like crappy.
It's been hard to try new things that I don't want to do, but I've done them, and sometimes I've really liked them and sometimes I haven't. But yeah, that's been a hard part.
I guess for me, because I don't concentrate very well, writing down the plants and everything about them.
Probably have to upload a ton of pictures.
Sometimes when you're a scientist, you have to change your perspective of things. For example, like me. I used to be a microbiologist for the microorganism team, but now I'm an artist for the botany team.
Can you tell me one new thing you've learned from this Teton River experience?
I just thought the Teton River was kind of just like this, I don't know how to explain it, but like it doesn't go all the way over here, because I've learned there's some sites where it goes super far.
I was in the botany and I learned about plants.
We've learned that you don't have to be a National Geographic explorer. You just have to look around in your own backyard.
Well, I definitely learned how to use a microscope, for one. I'm kind of learning how to identify the different types of external fellows, too.
Artist, and I know that our work will help share what the scientists have learned.
I think that the most memorable part for me is seeing all of my students work on teams and become experts at something that they probably didn't know a whole lot about before. Yeah. Now I feel like we have so much more knowledge and investment.
This has been our Teton River experience, and we've learned so much. And we can't wait to learn even more.